Hi everybody. So all these drippings from my previous pour, I couldn't see wasting them, so I just thought I would take, I have a little coaster here, and I'm gonna try and just dip it. I'll do a dip. So I think the back was taped off already. I guess I was gonna use this before and I never got around to it, so we'll see what happens. So I just added some gold dots to it. And there's red and purple in there, so we'll see. I'll just put it right in the middle. We'll see what happens. It's a heavy tile, so I don't really need to tap on it or anything. I'll just get my arms all in this paint here. Okay. I had to steady my elbows here, so I'm going to take the corners and just lift up. Just picked up the plastic too. Well, it blended, but it's kind of pretty. The gold oh, there's the gold. There. And maybe I'll take the sides and just dip the sides, and then it's gonna... No, I don't think I better, because then if I do that, top will move. So I'll just take my finger and go along the sides. And there's a cute little coaster that I can, well, whoever does resin can resin one. I haven't tried resin yet, so. You could varnish it with a heat-resistant varnish. Here we go. That's my little dip. Guess I could hold it up for you. I'll take my finger. Here we go. All right. Come back soon to my art room. Bye-bye.